So today we are going to discuss the most important concept in Tableau, that is calculations. And we can also call it as calculated fields. So what do you mean by calculations or calculated fields? In the sense, whenever you are connecting with any data like this, you are getting some data names, these column names, right? So these are called as fields. Sometimes what exactly the fields you are getting from the data, those fields are not enough to complete your task. Then you have to go for creating your new fields, your own new fields. How to create that thing we are going to see in this concept. So first of all, let us go with a case. When exactly we have to go for that particular situation? Suppose, let me show you some data here. See here, I am having some items and their actual price and their selling price. So item A, its actual price is 700 and they are selling for 999 and 400 for 599, like this. Now this is the data that is given to you, and now my client is asking me create a report with item wise profit. He is giving this data to me. He is giving this data to me, and he is asking me, he is giving me a task to me like create a report with item wise profit. Now in your data, yes, you are having item, and in your data, do you have any profit field there? No, you are having actual price and selling price. Then how can you create this report using item wise profit? Then you need a new field here. You need a new field here called profit. But in the data I don't have profit, right? For that only you have to come for calculated field. That means you have to create your own field. Suppose he has given actual price and selling price. You are not allowed to call the client, hey client, you didn't give me profit, how can I calculate this thing like that? He will ask you, you fool, I have given actual price and selling price. Can't you calculate the profit? Now tell me, what is the formula for profit generally? Profit equal to selling price minus actual price. So now this is called as calculation. Selling price minus actual price is called as calculation, and this profit is called as a calculated field, a field that is created by using some calculation. Is it clear? Calculated field in the sense, a field that is created by using some calculation. Now how to create a calculation field we have to see. For that one, let me go with our Tableau tool. Let me connect with the data. In this Excel file, I am having that sheet. In sheet 4, I am having the data. Yes, like this. Now I am going to sheet 1. Yes, I have got item, actual price and sell price. But I don't have profit. Now I have to create a report using a item wise profit. For that one, what I told you, you have to create a new field by calculating something. Now, how to create a calculated field? You can create a calculated field in so many ways. The traditional way is go to analysis, click on create calculated field. Yes, here it is giving the calculated field window. Here you have to write the formula and here you have to give the field name. Here you have to give the field name and here you have to write the formula. And one more way is you can come for the data view here, click over this drop down button, go with create calculated field. Same thing you will get, same field name and calculation you can specify. Or else any empty space in the data level now, come here, right click over here, create calculated field. All are same, but there are so many ways. That's it. Now I am going with the name. So I want to give its name as profit. Already I told you. Yes, profit. And how to calculate the profit? So sell price, while typing only you will get, this is called IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So sell price minus actual price. Click on apply, click on OK. Observe carefully here, you got a field called profit. And if you observe carefully, before that profit symbol, this hash symbol, you are getting one equal to. That equal to indicates that is a calculated field, whatever that may be a dimension or that may be a measure. Generally measures will be indicated with hash symbol, but calculated field will be indicated with equal to hash symbol. So it indicates now sale price minus actual price equal to profit. This is the meaning. So already this one is in our calculation part and this is my field name. Got it? So like this you will get a equal to symbol before any calculated field. Like this. Now let me take item wise. Actual price. Yes, this is actual price. And I am taking selling price. And I am taking a profit. Yes. Right. So actual price, selling price, profit. For each and every item it is showing. Now actually in our data you don't have profit field. But you have a task to complete your visualization with some field that is not existing in the data. Then what you have to do, you have to create that field by doing some calculations. This is the basic example for the calculation. Like this, you have to go for so many number of calculated fields in your job. Is it clear? So here I want to go with creating a report with the top 10 items with their MRP and price after discount. Now how to get this thing? For this one, first take all the items and take their unit price and take their discount. Now in this unit price, 6.4% discount in the sense how much it will be reduced, around $13 will be reduced, yes or no? So you are having discount percentage. Discount percentage you are having. Now first you have to find out discount value. Discount value you have to purchase, calculate first. So discount value, how you will get? Suppose for 500, 10% discount. That means what? How much it will be reduced? 50 rupees will be reduced, yes or no? And finally, how much you are paying for that particular item? 500 minus 50 equal to 450 you are going to pay. Now, I have to find out this thing for each and every item here. For 208, 6.4. So how much discount value, how much total value? So 500 ki 10% means how I am getting 50 rupees there. Suppose that 500 is MRP. 10% is discount. Then what is the formula for discount value? MRP into
discount by 100.
Discount by 100. Discount by 100. Like this you have to calculate. Actually, whenever you are having 10% like this, you no need to go with by 100. Why? Because the percentage symbol indicates by 100. Now, you have to calculate a field. I am giving its name as a discount value. For that one, what is the formula here? Unit price into discount. Click on apply. Yes, here I am getting discount value. Now take this one into the visualization. Yes, actually for 208, 6.4 percentage in the sense you have to get 13.3, but it is showing 133. Why? Because it is taking sum of discount value. Actually you have to take here average of discount value. Now change here measure to average. Yes, now it is getting clearly. If you want to get the points also, you can go here, go with format, go with number format, currency custom, and here, yes, decimal places you need, you got it here. See, for 208 MRP, if he is giving 6.4% discount, this much will be reduced. Now, what I have to calculate? I have to calculate price after discount. For that one, what I have to do? Unit price minus discount value, yes or no? Right? Now, create calculate field. I am taking this one as PAD. That means price after discount. What is the formula I have to write? Unit price minus discount value. Now click on apply. Now click on OK. Now see PAD, I got it here. Take that PAD here. Yes, actually here also it is taking sum. No, I don't want to get the sum. I want to get the average. Yes, now see here. In 208, if you remove 13, you will get 195. If you want to get actually points also, go for format it. Go for currency custom. Yes. And now I want to get top 10 items only. For that one, take the item into filter, go with the top by field, top 10. Which field I want to take based on its unit price. Apply. Okay. Yes. Clear? You can sort it. Yes. Like this, you can go with the top 10 items with their unit price and the discount value and price after discount. Is it clear? Now let us go with the, while creating a calculated field, till now what you have used here, you have created some field names you have used, right? To create a calculated field, to create a calculated field, we have used, we used existing fields you have used, yes or no? And some operators we have used, plus, minus, existing fields in the sense we have used some unit price, comma, discount, like this existing fields you have used, right? And we have used some operators like plus, minus, into, like this. And you can go with some comments also. Comments in the sense, suppose I have created this calculate field now, edit this one. Here if you want to say something about this field, you can write here by enclosing in the double slashes. So I want to write this is used to find discount value. Like this you can give some comment for it. Why we have to give? In the future somebody wants to know what you have written in the calculate field. They can understand by using this comment. Right? And the most important thing, we can go with some functions. What are the functions we have seen in SQL? The same functions you will get here in our Tableau. So again, these functions are 8 types of functions we are having in our Tableau. The first type of function is number functions. And the second type of function is a string function. And third type of function is date functions. What do you mean by number function? Number function in the sense the functions that are applied on the numbers. String functions in the sense functions that are applied on strings. Date function in the sense the functions that are applied on dates. And fourth one is aggregated functions. Already we know these things. Sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, like this. Aggregated functions. And the fifth one is logical functions. Sixth one is type conversion functions. And the seventh one is user functions. And finally, the most important thing is table calculations. Yes, these all are the functions we have to see. All these functions will take 1 week maximum. Minimum 1 week it will take. All these functions. So number functions, we will see some examples on the number functions, on string functions, some examples on string functions. Like that we are going to see elaborately about each and every types of function and each and every function in our Tableau. Clear? And again, this table calculation is having 8 types of table calculations. We will discuss about that at the point of time where we are getting the table calculation concept. Right? And you can go with some sets. What are the sets you have created? You can use sets also, and you can use parameters also. Like this, you can go with so many things to implement any calculated field. Yes. So we use existing fields, you use operators, you use some comments, use some functions, use some sets, use some parameters to create any calculated field. This is one example for creating a calculated field. Right? Now, let us go with implementing functions in our Tableau, in our calculation fields. Let us go with one by one function, how to implement them. Create a calculate field, go with here. See, if you observe carefully, here you are getting all the functions that are available in Tableau. These all are the functions we can get in our Tableau. And these all functions are categorized into sometimes. Here you are getting all. No, I don't want to get all. I want to get only related to number. Yes. Click on number so that you will get all the number functions only. If you observe carefully here, you will get the syntax and the meaning of that function. ABA stands for what it is saying, returns the absolute value of the given number. Absolute value in the sense, absolute function can change the negative value into positive value. So how to go for it? I am giving its name as numfun. Let us go with ABS. That means absolute. Suppose I am giving absolute of minus 100. Click on apply. See here I am getting a numfun here. As you don't want to apply any aggregation, just to move it into the dimension, now take that numfun. Yes, even though you have taken minus 100, it is showing a plus 100 there. Absolute converts the negative value into positive value. All these are SQL functions. And some trigonometry functions are there, sine, cos, cot, tan, like that. But we don't use those functions in our Tableau. And the most important functions, we have to go with rounded functions. Suppose if you want to go with the round of 5.7, how much it will be? 6 you will get. Yes, see here, I am getting 6 here. Suppose I am getting a round of 7.2, how much I will get? 7 I will get. Suppose I am getting 7.68 I will get. Like this rounding option is there. In the rounding option also we are having some types of things, those are called as the floor and ceiling. Floor. Floor in the sense whatever the number you may take, it will take the least recent value. Suppose if you are going with 6.9 also, it will give 6 only. Yes. Suppose if you go with 6.1 also, it will give 6 only. That means floor means it will indicate the least recent value. Suppose if I am going with ceiling. Suppose I am going with ceiling of 7.2, it will go with 8 only. Yes. So it will take upper highest value. So for rounding purpose we have to go for it. And some mathematical functions are there like div of 10 comma 2. It will give 5. And power of 5 comma 3. How much? 125. Yes. Like that square root. Some functions are there. Square of 6. 36 I will get. Yes. Like this SQRT is also there. Square root. Say square root of 144. How much? 12. Yes. Like that you are getting here. Some logarithmic functions are there. Whatever you can go with. When exactly you need. And the most important function in the number function is Zn function. Zn stands for zero number. This function helps you to convert any null value into zero. Suppose see here, I am having some data. Here 100 I am giving. For B I am not giving anything. For C I am giving 200. For D I am giving 300. For E I am giving 400. And F for nothing I am giving. Now click on save. Now go to Tableau. Now take new thing. Connect with the data. Take the sheet file. See, you are having two null values. For B and F you are getting null values. Suppose if you want to create a report by using this item wise quantity, you are getting two null values here, but it doesn't look better if you go with null values in your visualization. For that one I have to remove the nulls. For that one you have to replace the null values with 0. For that what I have to do? Create a calculated field. So these also quantity. I am giving this one as a not null. Quantity not null. For that one I have to use the function Zn. I want to go to Zn of quantity. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Now in the place of taking quantity, take this calculated field quantity. So what it will do? It will replace the null value with 0 and remaining values will be same. If you take quantity also here, see here A100, C200 like that everything I am having. But where exactly I got null values, here you are getting a zeros. That's why it is better to go with Jadan function every time to avoid the null values in our visualization. Is it clear? Like this we can go with the number functions. Now let us go with string functions. How to use string functions in our Tableau? String functions in the sense mostly that are helpful in the dimensions. Customer name, continent name, like this if you want to go with you can go with the textual values on textual values if you want to perform any functions. Yes, you have to go with these string functions. Suppose create calculated field. See here in the place of all, let us go with string. Yes, so I am giving its name as a string function. The first one is ASCII. ASCII stands for ASCII, American Standard Code, internally interchanged. Right? So for each and every letter in our keyboard, it is containing its own ASCII value. To find out that ASCII value, you can use this ASCII. And char is just opposite to ASCII. So if I am giving ASCII of capital A, so see here some string function it will be there. Yes, take it. Yes, 65 I am getting. So the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Suppose if you go with B, small b, it is 98. Whatever it is going to give. Suppose what is char in the sense just opposite to our string function. Suppose I am giving char of 65. What I want to get capital A, yes or no? Yes, see. So vice versa it will work. And the most important functions in our string is find. So what in which you want to find? Suppose I want to find in Tableau. What I want to find is I want to find A. Yes. So in the word Tableau, where exactly A is coming? That thing you want to find. For that what you have to do, you have to write to find of Tableau comma A. Click on apply. Yes, in the second position it is showing. Sir, one more A is also there, sir, at the sixth position. But find function will not consider the second and third, it will consider only the first A in the string. Sir, I want to find where exactly the A is coming for the second time. For that one, you have to use one more function, that is find nth. Suppose I am giving BA, NA, NA, comma A, comma 2. So what is the meaning of this function? Find the nth in banana, where exactly A is coming for the second time? So at fourth location, yes or no? Now click on apply. Yes. Suppose I am giving 3, it will give 6. Suppose if I am giving 1, it will give 2. Yes. Actually for 1 you no need to specify, you can go with find only. By default it will observe the first letter, that's it. It won't go with the second letter. Right? And some other functions are having left and right. Left of, W, comma 3. What happens, So from the left side it will calculate it will count for the 3 and this 3 it will display, that's it. So it is giving the output as a left side 3 letters, that's it. Click on apply. Yes, I am getting tab only here. Suppose that if I am going with right of W, comma 3. So now right of W, comma 3 and how it will work? It will take from the right side 3 letters. So I will get EAU, I think so. Click on here. Yes, EAU I am getting. Right? Like you are having upper of, suppose I am giving upper of W. So how it will be converted? It will convert to the capital letters. See, W is converted to capital letters. Like this you are having lower. So all these functions as in SQL you are having. Now let us go with your task now. I am having a customer names, right? Yes. Now I want to get only the first name of the customers. I don't want to get all the names. Suppose Aaron Davis Bruce is there. Now I don't want to get Aaron Davis Bruce. I want to get only Aaron. Suppose Adam Sanders Gray is there. Now I want to get only Adam. Albert Kelly Cooper is there. I want to get only Albert. For that one, what I have to do? So here our task is only first name. Only first name. So here, suppose I am taking a name Raja Ravi Verma. This is a name. Now, what is the first name here? Raja. What is the last name here? Verma. What is the middle name here? Ravi. Now, whenever I am having Raja Ravi Verma, just I want to get only Raja. Why? Because that is the first name. How to get that one? This Raja only is the first name. How you are getting? Why? Because there is a space. Based on the space only you can find out this is the first name up to this one. No, logically now what you have to think, yes. So first comma ki mundunnadanta, it is a first name. Now you have to find out where exactly the first comma is coming. For that one you are having a field, yes or no. So create a calculated field. In that field, I am giving its name as first space. So find where I want to find in each and every customer name I have to find that's why I am using customer name, comma, what I have to find a space. How can we specify a space? Give you a code, give you a space, close the space, close the code. Now click on apply, click on OK. Now where it is, yeah, first space. Format it. Yes. See, Aaron low sixth position is the first space. And in Adam, fifth place is the first space. Albert, seventh place is the first space. Yes. Now what I have to get? If first space key left side ఉన్నది మొత్తం, it is the first name, yes or no. For that one, you have to write one more calculated field. I am giving its name as a first name. For that, what I have to left off, then low customer name low, కామా ఆ స్పేస్ ఎక్కడి వరకు వచ్చిందో అక్కడ వరకు అంతకు ముందు వరకు తీసుకుంటే సరిపోయింది, మనకి స్పేస్ అక్కర్లేదు కదా. ఫర్ దట్ వన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ఫస్ట్ స్పేస్ -1. Click on apply, click on OK. See here, yes, first name. See, observe carefully the equal to symbol you are getting before that ABC, that indicates that is a calculated field. Now take the first name. Yes. For Aaron, Aaron it is showing. For Alan, Alan it is showing. For Albert, Albert it is showing. Like this for each and everything. For Jennifer, Jennifer, Jenny, Jenny, whatever. Like this you can use left button, left function. Is it clear? Right. So,
Yes, sir.
so like this you can apply some functions on the strings. And I don't want to get Aaron first name as small letters. I want to get the first name as a capital letter. For that one, what I have to do? Create one more calculate field. I am going with CFN and a capital first name. For that one, what I have to do? Upper of first name. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now use this CFN here. Yes, all this arrow is coming into capital letters. Like this you can use some string functions. Clear? Now please tell me how to go with the customer name, last name. So first name, okay, I got. I want to get last name. How to find that last name? How? So here you have to find out where exactly the second space is coming? Yes or no? Suppose here in Raja Ravivarma, if you want to find out the last name, what you have to do, where exactly the second space is coming, you want to find. So please tell me here, what is the second space? SS equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. So now right side I have to take, right side 5 letters I want to take, yes or no? So how I can say only 5 letters? Now what is the length of customer name here? So length of Raja Ravivarma, how much please tell me? 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13 plus 2 15. Now రైట్ సైడ్ నుంచి నాకు ఎన్ని లెటర్లు కావాలి? లెంత్ మైనస్ ఎస్ఎస్ అంటే సరిపోతుంది కదా. నౌ దట్ ఈస్ 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Now you can say write off CN and the customer name comma 5. ఈ 5 ని ఏమంటారు మనం? You can go with some value, some name. Right? So like this you can go with the last name. Let us implement that thing also. First of all, it is better to find out the length of the customer name. For that one I am giving CN underscore length and a customer name length. So for that one you are having a function called as length. Length of I want to specify customer name. Click on apply, click on OK. So where it is, CN length. So 72 it is taking sum. No, I don't want to get the sum. I want to get only average. Yes. And I don't want to get the zeros also. Format. Take the number. Yes. See, Aaron Davis Bruce 18 letters it is having. Aaron Day 9 letters it is having. Like that it is giving for each and everyone. Now what I want to do? I want to find out second space. Where exactly second space is getting? For that one you have to find out SS second space. So how I will find second space? By using the function find nth. Find nth in what? Customer name. What I want to find? A space. Which occurrence I want to find? Second occurrence. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now where is SSC? Yes, here it is. Take the SS here. 52. No, I want to get average here. Yes, and the 13th letter I am getting a second thing. And here I don't have anything. Why? Because first name, second name, first name, middle name, last name. It is having only like this. That's why second space, there is no second space. So that's why I am getting 0. Now, do one thing, make this one as also without points. Right. Now actually thing you have to write calculate field. Last name. For that what I have to take write off. Then write customer name write off, comma, length minus, so customer name length minus second space. Yes. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Now where it is last name, yes, take it. Yes, see, for Aaron Davis, Bruce, yes, Bruce is coming. For Aaron Day coming. Why? Because it is taking only the same thing, right? So where exactly you are having the same thing you have to get. Then you can do one thing. You can filter the customer name. Go with condition by field. Second space greater than 0 అయితేనే I want to show. So where is that SS? Apply. Now see, in all the names, first name is Aaron and second name is last name is Bruce. Aaron Davidson. Adam G. Sawyer. April S. Right. Like this you can find out first name, last name, whatever. By using some functions in a Tableau. Is it clear? And tomorrow we are going to see some other types of functions. So try to practice all these tasks.